Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my weekly Walmart haul. This week I have a lot of online finds, so if you like these hauls, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. First thing I picked up is this crew neck Sherpa sweatshirt from Free Assembly. So this one has the crew neckline. It's drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. There is some gathering. It's a ballooned, relaxed through the body, ribbed bottom. It's so soft and plush on the inside. That's what that looks like. And then it's the same kind of relaxed, comfortable fit through the back. Does look like it's more of that shorter boxy fit, but not cropped. So these were $24. Now they're on sale for $14. Size is extra small to 3XL. Got my usual size medium. It's very true size. It is more of that relaxed fit. So if you want it to be a little shorter, a little more fitted, you could size down. Or if you want it to be super oversized, maybe get a little bit more length, you could size up. So this brown color is fully stocked. It also comes in black and white, which are also fully stocked. Baby pink and men are very limited in sizing, but for $14, the quality on this one is so nice. It's going to be super warm especially if you live in a cold weather climate. Could dress it up or down. Throw on jeans, really cute boots, dress it up, and then you can wear your leggings, little Ugg boots, dress it down. So I really love this one. Next thing I picked up is from Time & Tru, so I've had my eye on this one for a while. Is the waffle, super soft kind of stretchy material. Has that split V front. Those are faux buttons. It's a relaxed, flowy fit through the body. Has the drop sleeve with the same detailing and then elastic on the wrist. That same kind of flowy fit through the back. This one reminds me so much of like those expensive Free People tunics and waffle tops. Those are usually over $70. So this one comes in sizes extra small to 3XL, size down to a small, and it comes in 3 other colors. There's a navy, pink, and white, and this is the lavender. It's a really popular color for fall 2022, and they're $20. So I think this is another one you can really dress it up or down, pair with leggings, little like slippers or Ugg boots, be casual, throw on a vest, and then you can also dress it up with flared jeans. You can do maybe like a faux leather legging and some knee boots. So I just think this is really cute, comfortable, but super fun to style. It paired with these flared jeans from Time & Tru, so they're super stretchy, really nice and comfortable kind of fit, especially if you're more curvy in the hips. Has that whiskering at the top, and then it's fitted through the leg with a little slight kind of boot cut, and they do have a slit. So I know the slits on the jeans at the bottom are pretty in right now, and then it's just solid through the back. So these are $24.98, sizes 2 to 22, and I did get my usual size 6. They're very true to size, and they also come in a brown color. But these are really comfortable. If you don't like that straight leg or the wide leg, I think this is a good option. So even if you don't like the flares, this is just a super subtle kind of flare. It's not going to be oversized. And I love that little slit detail. Next thing I picked up is this off-the-shoulder sweater from Dreamers by Debut. So it's a nice kind of stretchy ribbed sweater material. Super thick, warm, but comfortable. Has this fold over the top. I think if you didn't want it off the shoulder, you could also just wear it up. So that's what it looks like when it's off the shoulder. Has that same detailing. It's a balloon sleeve with the ribbed wrist. It's a little relaxed through the body, ribbed bottom, and then the same through the back. So these were $24. They're now on sale for $11 and change. Sizes extra small to extra large, and I did get my usual size medium, and I would say it is true to size. It's more of a relaxed fit, so again, if you want it to be fitted, you could size down. Comes in black, gray, oatmeal, and this is the blue. It's more of like a minty kind of green color. The one that's going to be easy to style. You can pair it with pretty much anything. Your leggings, more of a casual look, denim. A slack is going to be really cute with a little like pump or flat. Also picked up these high-waisted black skinny jeans from Jordache. So they're so stretchy. I'm really impressed with the quality on these. That's what it looks like on the inside. High-waisted, nothing really going on, just solid black through the leg. And then that's what the ankle looks like. Really nice and stretchy, super comfortable. And then they also do have the pockets on the back. and just nice and stretchy. So if you don't like leggings, you want something black solid, I think these are a good option. They were $17.50. They're now on sale for $13.50. Sizes 2 to 22. I got my usual 6. Very true to size. Nice, stretchy, comfortable, easy to style. I think the skinny jeans are still like super important. I know like they're trying to push them out, but if you're wearing a big oversized top and you want to wear your boots, I think these are the only way to go, especially if you don't want to wear leggings like I said. Also picked up from Dreamers by Debut this chenille kind of hooded sweater. So it's so soft, just like Barefoot Dreams pieces. Has the drop sleeve, and then that's what the wrist looks like. The drawstring for the hood, relaxed through the body. Really nice oversized length. And then the hood in the back. And then it's the same material on the inside. So both sides are super comfortable. So these were $22.98. They're now on sale for $14 and change. Sizes extra small to extra large. I did get my usual medium, and it's more of an oversized fit. So there's black, blue, gray, hot pink, which is this color, and then taupe and brown are in limited sizes, like extra small. But I think that, like I said, this one does look like it's oversized. So if you're a medium, you want it to be a little more fitted, and you love those colors, you could probably go with the extra small. But I think this one is going to be so fun to style, like little like snow bunny looks with leggings, like cute little boots and hats. Be really cozy. And you can also dress it up. I think you could do your denim or slack. Probably wouldn't do like a dressy shoe with this one, but I think you could. So for under $15, you really can't beat it. The next thing I picked up is this sweatshirt from Free Assembly. So this one has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, has the ribbed wrist with the little peak of poplin popping out in the plaid fabric. That one also has a slit. Relaxed fit through the body, and then you also have that same kind of fabric. It scoops down a little bit for length with your jeggings or leggings, and then there's also a little button. So the inside of the shirt is going to be that sweatshirt. You just have that little peak in both places at the bottom and then also on the wrist, and then it's a relaxed fit through the body. So this one's $30. It also comes in a blue and green option. Size is extra small to 3XL. I did get my usual size medium. It's more of that oversized fit, like perfect to pair with leggings, just be comfortable but elevated with the little peak of plaid. I think this one's gonna be so fun to style. You can dress it up or down. I could pair it with like my more casual boots or sneakers with jeans, and then really cute little heels or shoes or a slack. So I really love this one. Go with it, I picked up my favorite pants from Time & Tru. I have these in the black. I decided to grab them in the blue. So they're super stretchy. It's a ponny material, pull on. Has that same detailing going all the way down with the little slit in the middle. It's really cute. And then the same kind of fit through the back. So these are $20, sizes extra small to 3XL. I get my usual medium in them. They're very true to size. They also come in black, which I shared before, and gray. So I don't know if when I first originally picked these up they had other colors, but now they do. So this navy is so fun, and then it also comes in the gray. But these are so comfortable but really nice and structured. So you could definitely wear them to work, wear them for all your holiday events and parties, and be super comfortable. Also picked up this little baby doll dress from Beach Lunch Lounge. So this one has that lower V-neck. It's a chiffon material, little ruffle detail on the shoulder, and then sheer through the sleeve with the button detail on the wrist. So relaxed fit through the body, has that same detailing, and then it's flowy. Lined on the inside with that same kind of sheer fabric, and the lining looks like that. So super silky, really nice high quality fabric, and then it's the same kind of relaxed fit through the back. These are $26, sizes extra small to extra large. I got my usual medium, just easy. Wear it with the black knee boot. You can wear it with black tights, little black heels, belt it, throw a blazer on top. So it's just going to be one of those easy dresses when I have events coming up that I can just grab and style. If you've watched my channel, you know I've had my eye on this for a while. So this one's from Love & Sports. It's this kind of shiny puffer style bomber jacket. Has that higher neckline with the ribbing. It's a gold zipper, ribbed bottom, also the ribbed wrist. This little patch on the side. And then it's lined on the inside with this soft kind of silky fabric. It's more of an oversized relaxed fit, and then it's the same through the back. So these were $50. They're now on sale for $29. I already have a black puffer coat, or else I would have went with the black, but I thought this burgundy was really pretty too. I wanted to grab it before they sell out. In sizes extra small to 3XL, and I did size down one to a small just because I want it to be a little more fitted and not too oversized. I hate driving with like a big puffy coat. So I'm so excited about this one. It also comes in black. Looks like they are selling out pretty quickly in both colors and a lot of sizes. So if you're interested in this one, I definitely suggest picking it up. It's also going to make a really fun gift idea. You could do a little hat and scarf set. So for under $30, the quality on this one is so good. Picked up another off-the-shoulder top. So this one's from Sophia Vergara's. Ribbed, really nice and stretchy, kind of lighter weight sweater material. Has that little twist detail with the opening. It's fitted through the wrist, also in the body with really good length through the front and then also in the back. So these were $36. They're now on sale for $18 and change. Sizes extra small to 3XL, and I did get my usual size medium. If you wanted to fit more like a bodysuit, then you could size down, but if you want it to be a little more relaxed fitting, then get your normal size. Also comes in the black. So this is just one of those easy sweaters. It's perfect for the holidays. I love this pink color. Just a little different. Do like a little sparkly jewelry. You could pair it with the skirt, slacks, denim, like a faux leather legging and a boot. Kind of dress it up. So I really love this one. Shared this one a few months ago and I thought it was a little pricey, but I really loved it. So I was super excited when I saw it was on sale online. So this sweatshirt's from Avia. It's a terry material, lighter weight, super soft, has that drop sleeve. That's what the ribbed wrist looks like. It is really nice, high quality. It's a relaxed fit through the body with the kangaroo pocket, band at the bottom. It's that wrap style hood, and then it's the same kind of oversized relaxed fit through the back. So these come in extra small to 3XL. I got my usual size medium. They were $20.98. They're now on sale for $15. Comes in 3 other colors. There's a burgundy, lavender, and black. I did grab the matching shorts. I wear shorts a lot, like when I'm around the house, but I wanted to have the matching set. So these have the elastic waistband. It's a side pocket, little slit on the side. That same material. It's nice and flowy in the seam through the back. So these were $15.98. They're now on sale for $11. Same sizes, extra small 3XL. Also got the medium. These look like they are more oversized, but I don't mind them. I could fold them over if they're a little too big in the waist. Same colors, that lavender, burgundy, and the black. So I just thought this set was really cute. The quality on this is something that definitely stood out to me when I did the shop with me. Next thing I picked up, it looks like I made a little bit of a mistake. So I did order the wrong size in this, but it's from the brand Lassam. It's a nice lightweight kind of waffled robe. Has that shorter 3/4 sleeve. It's open front. Has the wrap in the inside, and then also on the outside with a little side pocket. Really nice length. I hate when I get out of the shower and then I start blow drying my hair and I have this big thick robe on. I'm just too hot. It's just a really nice lighter weight style robe. Also going to be another good gift idea. So this one comes in sizes small to 5X, so lots of sizes. Lots of colors as well. White, black, blue, green, and lavender. And they're $14.96. So really nice price, just easy gift idea or even for yourself. Also picked up this necklace. This one's from that Brilliant or Believe in Brilliant. So how pretty is that heart? Has all those pretty simulated gemstones. Also has a silver chain. This one's $19.98 and it comes already gift box. So I know these are available online, just an easy gift idea. I'm keeping this for myself just because I love it so much, and I got the purple top. I think it's gonna go so nicely. And then I also picked up a new little hat and glove set. So this one's a pretty Fair Isle. It's really nice and stretchy, super soft, has that ribbed bottom. There's a Fair Isle print with some pink shimmer running through it. I don't know if you could see it. And then a really pretty bowl at the top. So it's such nice quality. That's what it looks like on the inside. And then the gloves I love because they're fingerless, because I hate to drive with my fingers covered. But then you do have the option to make it a mitten on those top fingers. If it's colder, you have to be outside. So you get this set for $14.96. They also have some other prints and colors, which I'll link down below, but they're each separate. So really cute little set. It's also ready for gifting. They have the little tag. Looking for affordable, just easy little throw-in gift ideas. I also picked up a few of these little cubes. So every angle is gonna have a different kind of look to it. So I just thought that was really cute just to throw in like little teacher gifts with the gift card. You want to give them something to open, just fun and pretty. So that is it for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have everything linked down below. And if you like these hauls, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.